So you can get a nano 3D printer. We can use it to manufacture mini accessories for our mini gadgets. Starting with the nano 3D printer, which is somehow the biggest product in this entire video.
So we can import basically any 3D model that we find online. Oh, this is perfect. Okay, so you click play there, and it'll start. Yeah, that's gonna take a while. We'll come back to it. See how our printing's doing. That is so intricate. It's a really phenomenal resolution printing for a printer this small. Any idea what we're printing yet? So if you're wondering what on earth we've been building this entire time, this is a helipad to land it on. I don't think I've ever seen something this intricate made by a 3D printer. Considering the size of that, I am blown away. This is the model it's based off of. If you look at this software, you can see that the colored parts in the middle were actually the structure we were trying to build. All of this blue stuff around is just scaffolding to stop it falling apart. But it looks kind of nice, so we're gonna use it anyway. I actually can't believe we spent an entire day printing that. Let's hope it was worth it. Oh! I have no control over this aircraft. Come on. Slow and steady. Yeah, I'm just realizing now that there is no back button. I think there's only one way to do this. Sorry, I had to come to this.